Casement windows are a popular choice for homeowners who want excellent ventilation, clear views, and easy operation. While they offer many benefits, choosing the right casement windows involves more than just liking the style. For homeowners in Coppell, understanding how casement windows function, where they work best, and what to expect long-term can help ensure a confident and satisfying decision. How casement windows operate. Casement windows are hinged on one side and open outward using a crank mechanism. This design allows the entire window to open, unlike some window styles that only partially open. As a result, casement windows are known for maximizing airflow. Coppell homeowners should know that this outward opening design makes casement windows especially effective at catching breezes and directing fresh air into the home. This makes them a strong option for rooms where ventilation is a priority. Ideal placement within the home. Before choosing casement windows, it's important to consider where they'll be installed. Casement windows work especially well in kitchens, bathrooms, bedrooms, and living areas where airflow and ease of use matter most. In Coppell homes, casement windows are often installed above counters, sinks, or furniture because the crank operation makes them easy to open in hard-to-reach places. Thinking about room layout ahead of time helps ensure casement windows are both practical and convenient. Space considerations. Outdoors. Because casement windows open outward, homeowners should consider exterior clearance. These windows need enough space to swing open freely without hitting walls, landscaping, or walkways. Coppell homeowners should evaluate how close windows are to patios, sidewalks, or outdoor features. Proper planning ensures casement windows can be fully opened and enjoyed without obstruction. Ventilation and indoor comfort benefits. One of the biggest reasons homeowners choose casement windows is their ventilation performance. When open, casement windows allow fresh air to flow in while pushing stale air out, helping create a more comfortable indoor environment. For Coppell homes, this improved airflow supports better indoor comfort and can help reduce reliance on mechanical ventilation during pleasant weather. Sealing and weather protection. Casement windows are known for forming a tight seal when closed. The window sash presses firmly against the frame, reducing gaps where air and moisture could enter. This design supports consistent indoor temperatures and helps maintain comfort. Coppell homeowners benefit from windows that help limit drafts and unwanted air movement when properly installed. Ease of cleaning and maintenance. Another important consideration is maintenance. Many casement windows are designed so the sash can be opened wide enough to allow easy access to both sides of the glass. Coppell homeowners often find casement windows easier to clean than some other styles, especially in single-story homes or accessible areas. Fewer moving parts also means simpler long-term upkeep. Style compatibility with your home. Casement windows offer a clean, streamlined look that works well with many architectural styles. Whether a home leans traditional or modern, casement windows can blend seamlessly when chosen thoughtfully. For Coppell homeowners, selecting frame finishes and hardware that complement the home's design helps ensure casement windows enhance both interior and exterior aesthetics. Security and peace of mind. Casement windows typically include locking mechanisms that secure the sash tightly against the frame. This design provides reliable closure and peace of mind when the window is closed. Understanding the locking features and overall construction helps Coppell homeowners feel confident in their window choice. Making an informed choice. Casement windows offer a combination of ventilation, ease of use, and clean design, but they're not a one-size-fits-all solution. By considering placement, exterior space, comfort needs, and maintenance expectations, Coppell homeowners can make an informed decision. Choosing casement windows with a clear understanding of how they function ensures they become a practical, long-lasting upgrade that enhances comfort, airflow, and everyday living.